Question says a plane electromagnetic wave of frequency 100 MHz is traveling in a vacuum along the x direction. At a particular point in space and time, magnetic field vector is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 8, where k is the unit vector along z direction. What is E vector at this point? And it is given to us that speed of light c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Now there is an electromagnetic wave. It is created due to electric field and magnetic field. It has a frequency of 100 MHz and it is traveling along x direction, and we have magnetic field along k direction, that is z direction. We have the magnetic field and the velocity of the electromagnetic wave. We know that the electromagnetic wave's direction is equal to E vector cross B vector. So similarly we can find E vector as B vector cross V vector. That is, all three should be perpendicular to each other. So we have E vector to be equal to B vector cross V vector. Therefore we have E vector to be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 k cap into velocity of the electromagnetic field, which is 3 into 10 raised to 8 I cap. Now we have the multiplication as 6, and the direction will be k cap cross I cap, which is equal to 6 j cap.